So here's a quick thought while I'm out walking. We throw around the word fluent kind of casually. Fluent doesn't really mean perfect. It doesn't even really mean fast. And it definitely doesn't mean accent-free. In real usage, fluent just means you can keep up without panic. You can recover, you can rephrase, you can survive the moment. I've met people with amazing grammar who freeze under pressure, and people with messy English who communicate effortlessly. Fluency lives in movement, not correctness. Anyway, something I've been sitting on for a while.